Hi guys, so I have a new project now, and it's called Kiddo's Tiny Musical Therapy or Knowledge. And most of it's going to be on perfect pitch because that is the area of research that I'm doing because I have it. And that's going to help with autistic people, people with Asperger's or Williams syndrome, because they can develop it because of their late developmental in the cognitive area of the brain. They're able to actually have perfect pitch instead of 3 to 5 years old maximum until actually 12 to 15 years old. So that's something to keep in mind throughout this whole entire series that I'm going to be doing. So today, I'm just going to introduce what perfect pitch is. All right, my light went off. That is okay. You just have to listen. Perfect pitch is the unique ability to immediately recognize the name of any played musical note without the help and guidance of a reference note, which would be something else. It's known as musical year and also absolute pitch. The genes for the perfect pitch, also known as absolute pitch, follows what genetics call autosomal dominant inheritance pattern. That is, the trait is a dominant one carried by a single gene and not carried on a sex chromosome. The likely candidate appears to be chromosome 8q24 and are located on chromosome 2 and 6. So, again, like I said, inheritance pattern for perfect pitch is autosomal dominant with incomplete penetration. This means that only one copy of the gene is required to develop the skill, but other factors may prevent it from being expressed, such as environmental, but I don't really believe that. Where does perfect pitch come from? First, big hint, it seems to run genetically. Bach, Mozart, Beethoven also had it, and they all came from families with a great ear. Genetic overlap. Perfect pitch is genetically linked to synesthesia, a neurological condition that carries sensory experience to cross over. So I'm hoping that's going to open a center of my brain, which I talk about a lot. And I really, really want to. So we'll see. All right. Prevalence. The exact prevalence of perfect pitch, it's the general population is unknown. But it's estimated 1 out of 10,000 people have it. There are other factors such as early musical training and also the upbringing and, how the parents help the kid recognize musical talent and sing to them, while they're in their womb and all that. That will help. And so there are, I personally think, it's an 80-20 rule, most likely. Like 80% genetic, 20% environmental disposition. So, we'll see. I'll keep researching. And that's it for today, folks. Maybe there'll be another episode afterwards. Bye.